Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walkthrough of our 2018 Mercedes-Benz A200 AMG line Premium Plus. This A200 is finished in Cosmos Black and is the 7-speed dual clutch transmission automatic variant of the car. Starting with some of the exterior features, you've got the 18-inch AMG 5 twin-spoke alloy wheels, you've got the chrome tailpipes at the rear, the diamond radiator grille at the front, privacy glass, you've got the LED tail lights, you've got the Multibeam LED headlights, which are actually part of the Premium Plus package. You've also got the sport seats as part of the AMG line inclusions, and your 3-spoke multifunction leather-wrapped steering wheel here. Some of the Premium Plus package features you get are the keyless entry and keyless go, the illuminated door sills, you've got the 64 colour changeable ambient lighting, you've got the smartphone integration, automatically dimming interior mirrors, folding exterior mirrors, traffic sign recognition. You've got your Mercedes-Benz sound system, the 10-inch media display, which connects to the 10-inch digital instrument display behind the steering wheel. You've got your electronically adjustable front driver and passenger seat, also with the memory settings available on the door card. You've got heated seats, your infotainment controls on the centre console, access to your dynamic driving modes. You've got your climate control functions further up, your climate vents where you can see the ambient lighting, and then on the centre screen, access to some of your infotainment features and also your reversing camera function. If you would like any more information on this 2018 Mercedes-Benz A200 AMG line Premium Plus, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end of this video or inquire for our website.